Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Ben, welcome to the channel. Today, we've got another adventure journal to share with you. This time we're back down in the Joshua Tree area, where I got a chance to meet up with a couple of Jeeps, including a pretty much bone stock Gladiator, to run this trail from Yucca Valley up to Big Bear Lake. This is a perfect day trip. The area's got a ton of cool stuff to explore. There's a few mild, moderate rock crawls, hill climbs, that sort of thing, but nothing a stock 4x4 shouldn't be able to handle. So let's get into it. I'm excited to have you along for the adventure.
Ready to roll?
Yeah, we're gassed up, charged up. Except for the radio, I left it on all night.
Start it up.
Alright, thanks for coming along on this adventure. If you liked what you saw, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I've got a ton of cool stuff on the way. We're about to start getting into some snow camping and snow wheeling, and that should be a ton of fun to share with you guys. So until next time, get out and explore somewhere.